If you're experiencing issues with syncing your Rocket League account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to ensure that the servers are online and functioning properly. If there are any outages or maintenance, you may need to wait until the servers are back up. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary syncing issues. Step 3. Verify account link. Make sure your Rocket League account is properly linked to your gaming platform account, e.g., PlayStation, Xbox, Steam. Check the settings in the game to confirm the link is active. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're replaying on a console, try clearing the cache. For PlayStation, turn off the console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. For Xbox, hold the power button for 10 seconds to perform a hard reset. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the sync problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues in Rocket League. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Rocket League support for further assistance.